What is the difference between old and new tax regime? Old tax regime or new tax regime? Which is better? To help you gain more insights on old and new tax reforms, we have our chartered account specialist Gopal Krishna Raju with us. Gopal, over to you.
So let us assume, let us take a number. This is your taxable income. I'm not worked out and I don't want to show, but I will show you a live example. Okay. So this is your taxable income. This is your old regime. So this is your deductions. Okay. And this is your gross income. I'll start with the gross income. So gross deductions. And this is your taxable income. Now, if you want to apply the old and the new, so this is your old regime, this is your new regime. And I'll just show for you a difference between these two with respect to some numbers. Of course, above 15 lakhs, I'm not going to discuss at all. There will be some marginal difference. So let me take an example. So let me take the number as some monthly 70,000. So it is 8,40,000. Okay. So it is 8,40,000. So now I'll just take a simple deduction part. Take a minute. Yes. So let the deductions be 1.5 lakhs. So this is your, let us say, 80C deductions. Okay. So now your taxable income is 8.5 minus 1.5, 6.9. Now, actually, under new regime, you don't have tax at all. Okay. So because it is zero, because up to 7 lakhs, there is no tax. You will think like that, but it is not so. In new regime, deductions is not there. So therefore, 8,40,000, your tax liability, your deduction, your slab rate is 3 to 6 lakhs, 5%, 6 to 9 lakhs, 10%. Now, I want to make one observation here. Recently, this 24th of March 2023, the Finance Act 2023 was passed. The bill was passed. Now, when the bill was passed, they made one observation that the incremental income, because up to 7 lakhs, there is no tax. Why? Because for 7 lakhs, you get a tax rebate of 25,000. Now, if your income is 7 lakh and 10,000, your marginal income will be 10,000. But for the entire 7 lakh 10,000, we have to calculate the tax from 3 lakhs. So therefore, they gave a marginal relief. So that marginal relief will work out to maximum up to 7,27,777. So you need not worry about the 8,40,000. So the marginal relief is 7,27,777. But now I will be taking you to this 8,40,000 under new regime. How to calculate? Let me give an example. 3 to 6 lakhs is 5%. So that is for 3 lakhs, 5% is 15,000. Now I am in this 8 lakhs is between. So it is 15,000 plus. I'll take this. So it is 15,000 plus your 8,40,000 minus 6 lakhs. Yeah. So on this, I will apply the 10%. So this will be your tax amount. So 39,000. So on 39,000, I will apply the 4% cess. So this will be your tax liability for 8,40,000. But under the old regime, this is your old regime. So up to 2.5 nil, 2.5 to 5 lakhs is 5%. So that means on 2.5 lakhs, 5% will be 12,500. So here it will be 12,500 plus on 6 lakh 90 minus 5 lakhs. On this, I will apply the 20% slab. Okay. So that is that 1,90,000 on that I'll apply the 20% slab. So please look at this. So this is actually, it comes to around the 1,90,000 into 20% is 38,000 plus your 12,500. So that comes to 50,500. And on the 50,500, I'll apply the 1.04. Wow. So it is 52,520. So incremental you pay. So now new regime is better. So for 8,40,000, But the same will not work out for maybe 12 lakhs. Okay, this will not work out for 12 lakhs. So I'll just work out, not necessary. Okay, it is not necessary. I'll just check it up. So before you, I'll check it up. So let me take the same deductions, 1 lakh 50. Okay, but there is one more new deduction that is eligible. That is for both deductions are eligible. What is it? The 50,000 standard deduction. So it is eligible for the current employee and also the former employee when he is receiving pension, or even family pension you receive also, on income from other sources also you're eligible for that 50,000 deduction. So this 50,000 is a very important number. So it is eligible under new regime as well as old regime. So there are slight when you work it out. So that is why I cannot give you a thumb rule. So whether it is new regime or old regime, but there is only one thumb rule to compare between new and old. What is it? Compute. I repeat the word compute, because uh, maybe if you both of you are earning same salary, your deductions need not be same. Okay, even if your deductions are same, your maybe your TDS need not be same. So your other incomes need not be same. So therefore, each individual is unique. So you need to work it out. No other shortcut. So let me now work out for 10,50,000. Now here in new regime, will you get the deduction? No, you will not get the deduction. So I'll now take you to this. So this is 15 on 3 lakhs, 5% is 15,000. On 3 lakh, 10% is 30,000. Okay. Now 30 plus 15 is 45. So here it will be 45,000 plus your 12 lakhs minus 10 lakhs. Okay. So on that, so it is 9 to 12 will be 15%. Okay. So 15%. So up to 9 lakhs, it is 30,000 plus 15,000. So 45. And this is between your 12 lakhs, which is, sorry, minus 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs. So which will be 15%. So which comes to 90,000. On 90,000, I will apply 4%. 93,600. Now let me find the tax for 10,50,000 under the new slab. This. So this is actually 10 lakh and 50. Now up to 10 lakhs, let me find out. So this is actually 12,500. 5 lakhs and 20% is 1 lakh. 1 lakh and 12,500 plus on the increment. So on increment 50,000, I will apply the 30%. So it is 1 lakh 12,500 plus this minus 10 lakhs. Okay. On that, I'll apply 30%. This is so. In both the cases, I am getting the so old regime, new regime. New regime is I am saving actually 11,960. So 39. Now I want to make one observation. Here you avail deductions. Even the new regime is better. You don't avail deductions. Even then, new regime will be the best one because of the slab rates benefit. Now, I only put 1,50,000 as deduction. There are other deductions also because this is only ATC. Okay, this is only ATC. Now, you may get deductions in addition to this ATC. Like for example, your ATD insurance premium deductions, ATE, that is your education loan deductions, ATG, your donation deductions. So more the deductions, this gap is less, it will come down. So possibly old regime will be better. So I don't want to conclude that new regime is better than old regime. Okay. New regime is better than old regime when your deductions is less or no deductions. If there is no deductions, compare, new regime is always best. Deductions are comparatively less, then also new regime will be best. If the deductions are more, Okay, your subtractions are more. You need to work out your unique tax liability. For example, the same 8 lakh 40 I will take. Okay, the same 840 I will take. I'll take a deductions of 3 lakhs. So that means your taxable income will be 540. Okay. So now your tax will be same 40,000 for 560. But 540, because this 3 lakhs, I'm telling you guys, this 3 lakhs deductions is I'm sorry. This 3 lakhs deductions is your 80C, 80D, 80E, and your NPS, because NPS and 80C itself is 2 lakhs. And you are eligible for your, what do you call it, as 75,000 or 50,000 insurance premium deduction, depending upon senior citizens, whether they are there or not. So let us presume you get 50,000 or 75,000, another 25,000 some education loan or donations. So now only 3 lakh deductions you have. So now here, so what will be your slab rate? Your slab rate is this one. So up to 5 lakhs is only 12,500. So it is 12,500 plus 5 lakh 40 minus 5 lakhs. So on that I'll put 20%. My goodness, 20,500. So on that I apply 4%. So on that I apply 1.04. Wow. So now here, actually, which is better? 19,240 I pay more in new tax regime because deductions are same income. So more the deductions, more you save, then old tax regime is better. You have to opt for old. So that is the conclusion, guys.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.